Hello, this is Dr. Aida from Vascular Homeopathy. Today I would like to speak about frozen shoulder. Frozen shoulder is the most common problem seen in diabetic people. Patients who suffer with uncontrolled diabetes and patients who suffer with long-standing diabetes generally develop this frozen shoulder. But rarely, frozen shoulder may also occur in non-diabetic people also. And the primary manifestation of frozen shoulder is pain in your shoulder joint with restricted movements. The movements get restricted, especially the rotatory movements. And wearing a shirt, wearing a blouse becomes very, very difficult. And sometimes combing the hair or lifting heavy objects, all these cause severe pain in your joint. And also, the patient cannot lie on the affected shoulder. He cannot lie on the affected shoulder because it causes extreme pain. And not only that, they will not be able to carry heavy objects also. So these are the primary manifestations of frozen shoulder. And this frozen shoulder generally occurs in one shoulder. Rarely it may involve both the shoulders, but mostly it occurs in one shoulder. And many people take physiotherapy for frozen shoulder. But sometimes physiotherapy also doesn't help much. And also routine painkillers which they take for pain, for reducing the pain also doesn't give much relief. But in homeopathy, you have a permanent solution for frozen shoulder. I have treated many cases of frozen shoulder successfully. With constitutional treatment in homeopathy, you can find a permanent solution for your frozen shoulder. And also, the earlier the better. So, as soon as you notice these symptoms of frozen shoulder, if you can approach a homeopathic doctor and take constitutional treatment, you can find a permanent result for your frozen shoulder. So, do not worry. Visit me at Fast Cure Homeopathy for your frozen shoulder.